Lucas.
As you guys know, your girl is doing a day in the life of an influencer challenge, I guess you can say, or whatever. I don't say it's a challenge, but it's just a video that I thought would be cute and fun and entertaining for you guys. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and this step doesn't really take me that long because it's eyebrows, and I've been doing my eyebrows since like my junior year of high school, and I just graduated college. So if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at myself in the mirror. And if you guys want an in-depth brow tutorial, just let me know. I'll definitely get into it. But the way I do my brows is so different. I have been doing YouTube for a little over a year now, which is pretty cool. I haven't been doing it as consistent as I'm trying to be right now. It's kind of hard when you're in school, because I was just in school, and you have your own business, which I do have my own business. I sell eyelashes and now headbands, as most of you guys should know. Y'all don't be understanding. I be having to record with my freaking AC off, and I be dying. But y'all gotta hear me, and I know people don't like the sound of background noise. And that's normally why I do a voiceover, because I get hot so easily. When you're doing a talk through video, you could have like an hour's worth of content. And that's an hour of you sitting down talking. So yeah, your girl be hot. That's normally why I do voiceovers. So I don't plan on going anywhere really, but I do want to get a couple pictures in, so I'm gonna prime my face. I'm sure outside is hot because I'm hot. Okay, I'm just gonna prime my lids with concealer. So I'm gonna go in with my Norvina, and I'm gonna go in with C2, which is this pink, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease area, and I'm just gonna pack it. And a little trick that I like to use on myself and mainly clients is looking straight ahead and then putting the color into the crease while I'm looking ahead, because it just helps me know where exactly to put the color. And then I'm just gonna literally blend that pink out, because this color is like the main color, really. Not really. Now I'm gonna go into my Soft Glam palette, and we're gonna use this black to intensify this pink, and also to give myself a crease. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the number, 1. Yo, I'm tripping. And I'm going in with this Morphe M224 brush. Literally so great to cut the crease, and it's good to you know, clean the eyebrows. My camera was just being weird, so I don't have the footage of me cutting this eye. Now I'm just going to blend it. So now that the eye's cut, I'm gonna go back in with the black and then just start pushing this into the crease. I'm going in with this color for my lid from the Soft Blend palette. My eyeliner is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's water activated, so I'm just gonna dip my little brush. And this brush is amazing for eyeliner, guys. I got this from a little brush kit from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it down below. So this is the eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and then come back so we could focus on the clothes next, boo-boo. So this is the makeup, guys. I think it looks super cute. And I'm gonna be doing 2 photo shoots today for my Instagram. I decided to add this purse that I got from TJ Maxx, y'all. All my purses are from TJ Maxx, like, real talk. And it has this Cheeto, so I was like, yeah, let's mix it. And I'm gonna wear this gorgeous headband. This is from my collection. It's just so pretty, guys. You guys need to copy your headbands. They're just gorgeous. And I was gonna wear shorts with them, but I can't find them, so I'm wearing jeans. And I'm just gonna do a simple look right here. Same headband, just in yellow. So I'm going to do a simple look, which is the black, and then the pop of color, which is the yellow. If this would focus. Bag from TJ Maxx as well. Alright guys, we're gonna go do the outfit change and then drive over to the next location. Alright guys, so we're done with the photos right now, and your girl gotta go home. Well, we're gonna go get some food actually. And I don't know if this is the end of the video because your girl's not really an influencer. She's trying to be somewhat of one. So yeah.